Good day, my Stitchy family, and welcome to my channel, Stitcha-Rella. Today I'm bringing you another amazing unboxing from FGNORMAL. That is www.fgnormal.com. Now, I love FGNORMAL. I've been working with them for quite a while. Their customer service is superb. Shipping is super fast and the products are fantastic. I'm going to show it to you and then you'll understand what I mean. Now, FGNORMAL don't only sell our favorite, they sell our favorite, and that is stamped cross stitch. Of course they do. They sell the newest 9 count branded ones, the beaded ones. They do diamond painting, they do paint by numbers, and they sell all the tools and accessories that goes with that. They also do customs and blind boxes. They sell things like scrapbooking, the 5-paint seal series, epoxy mold, wax seal stamps, and the weaving series, and so much more. You must go and look on their site. They're really amazing. It's a big website, very organized. Go and have a look, and they also load new products very often. Now, they still have their Happy New sale, guys. Yes, and before I tell you about it, remember to use my discount code, which is RELLA05 for extra 5% off. And you get free shipping for orders over $49.25. Now, that is already big savings. You can also, with the sale, look on the screen. I will leave this details in the description box so it's easy for you to find and all the products I show you today. So if you order over £1, you get 20% off. Over £59, you get 23% off. And over £99, you get over £99, 26% off. I almost said 99 off. Oh my word. So over £99 is 26% off. What a tongue twister. Now that is amazing specials. Go and make use of it while you can. And remember, the Chinese New Year is upon us. The shops will close for 10 working days. Please be patient, people. You will receive your orders. Alright, so let's have a look what we got here. I am going to open these two together. We've got some beaded keychains. And then we got 2 little beaded stitches. And they're cute, right? So let's start with the butterfly. Now the butterfly is interesting. It's got a tassel and I don't know if it's a keychain or what exactly. But it's a little hangy thingy, but it's beautiful. Alright, so let's have a go. You get your pattern. How to put it together. Some stitches. Okay, so they don't show you how to put the tassel, but it's easy. I'll show you. Very beautiful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stitches, 5 colors of threads, not stitches. Then I want to tell you guys the instructions is, I think, Chinese, but that's why we got Google Translate. So it's basically, it speaks for itself, this. I will show you what to do. So here's your stuffing you need for your little hangy thing. Let's have a look. Now the Ada they are on, right? It's plastic. It's not your material Ada. Very durable. This one's big, guys. She's big. Do not cut it. Please work it first before you cut it. Please do not cut it. Now there you go. When you're finished working it, you fold it in 2. Make sure everything is on top of each other. Then you work it. Please. Alright, so let's have a look here. Oh, it's pretty. Look at this beautiful thing. So it's got a rub. And the rub goes there and that side. Okay, so this way. And this you must incorporate inside or in it. You work it inside. Look at how pretty that is. Oh, that is amazing. And you've got a tassel before on the bottom. See, it goes straight through. That's the thing. Yes, now I get it. Yes, it goes right through. The tassel is on the bottom. Then you got all the threads. They correspond with the bead colors. And then you get your beaded thread. This little thin, I call it fish line, but it's beaded thread. You use to put it together. And there's the little balls you need. Your needles to make it all pretty. You just see here. This one comes on, two of that, the little silver one and a big blue one comes on the bottom. Big blue one on the top. And then you got 4 beading needle. No, yeah, 4. Yeah, it's the same size. It looks like the same. There they are. I just want to see. Yeah, they're all the same size and they're sharp. I think there's one bigger one. No, they're the same size. 4 of them. Great. I don't want to open it totally and then lose them. We get seed beads. They are glass and there's 5 colors. The yellow's got the red in as well. See, there's the blue, white, blue, and then this packet. That little red ones that you use for the middle of the butterfly, yeah? You use it there and on the side. You'll see when you buy it, it indicates where you have to work what. It's all there. Excellent. I love it. Very beautiful product. I absolutely adore it. I'm not packing away. I'm just putting it like this. Why? Because we need to take pictures. Yep. Now, look at this. You can remember this guy. He's on, I think, Mickey Mouse, Pluto. Look at that little cutie. I can be wrong, but I think so. I can't remember anymore. My kids are big now. I think it's Pluto. Look at that. There's the pattern. We got 4 colors. Quick and easy. Some instructions how to bead, but it's not difficult at all. Look at that. Superb. I love these little keychains, but you guys know that, right? Now here's the stuffing for this little guy. There he is. He's got a back side and a front side, so they differ. Very cute. Also, your plastic Ada. And remember to work it and then stitch it together. They will correspond. Okay, here's our beads, 4 colors, yellow like silvery white, black, and our green for his collar. It is glass, it's seed beads, very good quality, look at that, I love it. The 4 colors of thread that correspond with that, and then of course the line that goes. You put it together with this line. This is strong. In this you get your little keychain accessories. There is 3 long beading needles and 1 fat short one. So scared to lose all these things, you know. The other day I opened one and I lost one of the things. That's why I'd rather show you like this before I lose them, because it's a very sad occasion when you lose them. It's not nice. Alright, so while I put this aside, look at that beauty. It's a Joy Sunday. And while I open it, I want to ask if it's the first time watching my channel, please hit the subscribe button if you would be so kind. It's for free and you help me out a lot when you do that. Also hit the like button and tell me what you think in the comments. I'll personally get back to you. Now let's look at this beautiful unicorn from Joy Sunday. So there you go. Joy Sunday comes in a reusable Ziploc bag with the instructions printed on the back and a little barcoded sticker in the front with the product code and number. Front page of a Joy Sunday, also a joy to look at. A beautiful unicorn, and she's going to look amazing. She must have a lot of colors. There's a product code name and number, and the name is Unicorn 5. 14 count 2 strands, 47 by 47 centimeters. There is 6 pages, and let's see what we got here. She's got full stitch and back stitch, and we're working with 71 colors. Oh goodness gracious me, she's beautiful. There is back stitch. All of you are familiar with that at the moment. Look at that. Joy Sunday does like back stitch a lot. Very beautiful. And then bonus. So here is all the symbols you need for your Ada, and there is the symbols for your pattern. I love when they do that. It makes life much easier for us, right? Yes, it does. Alright, so let's have a look here. Oh man, look at those colors. Ice creamy, dreamy, I'm telling you. Very, very pretty. Alright, so beautiful white canvas, and it's 14 count, like I said. There's a product code name and number, and it is Unicorn 5. 217 stitches by 217. Very easy stitch. I just look at it and I can see very, very easy stitch. Most of it's block stitching, and there is no confetti here. It is block stitching, and the printing is spectacular. Beautiful, right? All the symbols you need is also printed on your Ada, and it's serged all the way around for our convenience, of course. Amazing product. Wow. Very, very pretty indeed. All right. Let's have a look at these beautiful colors. Right, Joy Sunday normally includes their needle. By attaching them to your color card, there is 2 attached to your color card. Let's do this. Now this is 1 to 30, and look at the ice creamy, dreamy colors. Now where's 31? This is 31 to 60 and more beautiful. I'm going to show them to you together now, then you'll see, because together they look so much better. And then we've got 61 to 71. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Fantastic. I absolutely adore this. Very beautiful. Now look at them together. Amazing, right? I absolutely love this. Very, very nice. Love, love, love. Wow, excellent product. Tell me what you think in the comment box. Now while I pack this one away, I just want to thank FGNORMAL. Wow, amazing products once again. Thank you so very, very much. I absolutely adore them. Then to you, my dear Stitchy family, thank you for always watching and supporting me. It means the world to me. I love you guys a lot. Till next time, lots of love, Stitcha-Rella.